Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account for Gametime on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS device, or on your Android device, open Play Store and search for Gametime, just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here, download and install it onto your device, and now tap on open. Now, in order for you to go ahead and create an account, on the bottom right hand of your screen there is going to be a profile person icon right over here, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on login. Now when you click on this, I can understand that you're saying, but wait, I wanted to sign up. Well, all you need to do is just go ahead and enter your email right over here, and if you have an account, it's going to help you log in. If you don't have an account, it's going to sign up. It's as easy as that. And look at this. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email and go ahead and click on next, and then it's going to say resend link, and it's going to send a account link to go in my email, and that is where I can go ahead and create a new one. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and